Hello, wonderful audience. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with me. Hello, fellow enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of Vishnu Raj Atreya. Vishnu Raj Atreya, 10 November 1944 July 18, 2020 was a Nepali writer and poet who wrote in Nepali language, Sanskrit language and Awadhi language. He used the title Latosaathi, meaning mute friend, in his poetry works since 1963. Anno Domini He is considered to be the first person to start writing haiku in Sanskrit language. Moving on to the next segment, we have early life. Atreya was born on 10 November 1944 as the first son of Devraj Atreya and Sharada Devi in Rashminalaya, Kapilvastu, Nepal. His father Devraj and grandfather Vishnu Raj both were Sanskrit scholars. He was intelligent since his childhood. He attained his basic education under the custodianship of his father, who was a teacher in Torshra Sanskrit Pathshala, and his grandfather Vishnu Raj. He started his education from Hariha Sanskrit Vidyapith, Kidim, now affiliated to Nepal Sanskrit University. He then went to India for further education, where he completed undergraduate in Sankhya Yoga and history from Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi. He finished his master's degree in Navya from Sampanan Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi. He further completed master's degree in Nepali and political science from Tribhuvan University, Nepal. He then completed his FT in Navya from Sampanan Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi, India. He was visiting professor at Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, Sampanan and Sanskrit Vishwavidyalaya, Varanasi, India, and professor at Nepal Sanskrit University, Valmiki Vidyapith, Kathmandu, Nepal. He retired after 47 years of teaching. Turning our focus to family, let's explore its key elements. He was married to Gunshwari Acharya Atreya after marriage in July 1974. Get ready to uncover the mysteries surrounding health as we navigate its intriguing terrain. In early 2019, Atreya suffered from gallbladder cancer. He was admitted to the Rajiv Gandhi Cancer Institute and Research Centre, India, for 4 months. He has been undergoing treatment at Patan Hospital, Lalitpur. After he was diagnosed with this condition, he started writing a novel titled Varuchi Katayan, which is in press for publication. As we enter this new phase, let's navigate the complexities of death and discover its practical applications. Atreya died on July 18, 2020, at the age of 75, due to gallbladder cancer. Without further ado, let's move on to the topic of Latosaathi title. Although his name is Vishnu Raj Atreya, he introduced himself as Latosaathi since 1963. Anno Domini he believed that literature itself is mute and a person adds life and sense to it. This might be the reason that he added Latosaathi as his literary title. He has expressed this view in his first short epic Kapilvastu as, "The script is silent, the writing is silent, and me being the main writer am also silent." Poet of the Nation, Madhaprasad Gemaya writes his view on Atreya's Latosaathi title as, "I think Atreya was influenced from Dwasupana Sayujasakaya from Ribza. The metaphor of that bird of Ridva is life that undergoes karma and God who looks after as a witness. As such, Latosaathi is that clever friend who looks after his friends as a witness. If I would ask him about this, he would not speak but write sarcasm on deformed society and social distortion and simply keep on laughing." Our focus now turns to social works, an important aspect of our discussion. Atreya has been involved in various social works throughout his life. After starting his studies in Varanasi, he became a member of Nepal Student Organization 1957 AD. In the year 1966 Anno Domini he then became Literature and Culture Minister, same organization. He was editor of published by Nepal Sanskrit Student Council. Similarly, he was founding member of Banaras Satya Samparka Samiti in 1968 Anno Domini and organized various cultural and religious programs to encourage Nepali students studying abroad. He also became Vice President of Kapilvastu, Secretary of Panini Award Committee 1991 AD, Member of Noganga Pratibha Puraskar 1992 AD, Executive Member of Dadira Morrison Smriti Pratishthan 1994 AD, Member of Nepal Prajya Pratishthan, Vice Chairman of Gorkhalian Sangh, Advisor of Kapilvastu, Convener of Rupak Smriti Pratishthan, Member of Maiden Puraskar Gavi, and so on. He had also played important role in erecting statue of Awadhi Bhikshu in Kapilvastu, Nepal. In this part of the video, we'll be delving deeper into religious works and analyzing its key components. Atreya was born in religious family background, which made him very active in religious activities. He started his early education following Gurukul tradition since his childhood. While he was student in Hariha Sanskrit Vidyapith itself, he started writing poem by worshipping stone as, "Stone, I consider you to be the form of God." He had recited Didi Bhagavata Purana and Bhagavata Purana while he was studying in Varanasi, India, which shows his religious inclination. His daily life was influenced by Eastern philosophy, therefore he performed jap, tap meditation, yoga daily until he became physically weak July 2020. He was a national member of Vishwa Hindu Mahasangh and travelled around Nepal and abroad to attend and present papers in Hindu conferences. Now, let's dig deeper into educational works and unveil the hidden treasures it holds within. He has served as a professor of Navya Vyakaran in Nepal Sanskrit University for 17 years 1996-2013. Before joining Nepal Sanskrit University, he worked as a reader in Tribhuvan University 1988-1996, visiting professor in Sampananand Sanskrit University, Banaras Hindu University 1980-1988, and lecturer and reader in Tribhuvan University 1970-1980. Since 2004, he has been member of Prajya Sabha and contributing to scholar areas. He was a producer and director of a Sanskrit learning program Sanskritam in Nepal television for 6 months in 1989. In this part of the video, we'll be diving deep into acting in plays and cinemas and unraveling its profound impact. Since his hostel life itself, Atreya used to write, direct and act in plays. While he was studying in Varanasi, he used to visit his hometown Kapilvastu during summer vacation and attend and participate in cultural programs. Once he wrote, directed and acted in a play which plots saving a royal swan of Siddhartha Gautam on a yearly program at Yeshwara Lower Secondary School, Toihoa, Nepal. Atreya has also played in various Nepali movies. He started his movie appearance as a role of professor in a black and white movie titled Manko Band, which is a first film produced by Royal Nepal Film Corporation, directed by Prakash Thapa. He also acted as a friend of the main actor in the movie Cinder. In the year 1999, he also acted as Gayodhar Soti in a historical movie titled Banabhaktacharya directed by Yadav Carroll. He has also directed and led Sanskrit plays in Kalidas Janma Jayanti program organist in Ujjain, India. Let's now venture into the realm of as lyricist and explore the fascinating intricacies it holds. Atreya has also contributed to the Nepali music industry. His compositions Millions of Nepalis Have Same Feelings, Be Alive for 1 Million Years, Best Wishes, Matri Mahima, Ganj Chalisa, Hanuman Bhajan are recorded. As we progress, let's zoom in on publications and examine its role in shaping our overall narrative. Title: Year of First Publication, First Edition, Publisher Notes Ref. Dakri 1967 Sahaprakashan, Kathmandu Short Epic Kapilvastu 1967 Ratna Pustak Panda, Kathmandu Short Epic Ami Bitrakoma 1979 Sahaprakashan, Kathmandu Novel Himalayo Namanagahirajan 1982 Babu Madhav Prasad Sharma, Varanasi Research Arjild Vansavali Rokalota Bubashka Nepali Hanuman Chalisa 1998 Kavitama Latosaathi 2002 Kapilvastu Saityasama, Kapilvastu Arthatojalan Jigyasa 2002 Bhagirath Publication. Limited, Kaufmandu Critics Betkapustik Tikakura 2002 Bharat Bamshi Chudal, Kaufmandu Essays Nepali Satyaki Pratibhavarati Kerala Bharati Kerala Pratishthan, Kaufmandu Biography Ansuma Prakosh 2005. Eligius Naya Medut Advanced Academy, Kaufmandu Sri Gandaki Didet Mahatmya 2006 Disha Hindu Eta Parishad, Kaufmandu Short Epic Samtirtha Superiore 2017 Superiore Manda Sanrachan Samiti Novel Sri Swasthani 2007 Sri Ramid Pashupati Sanyash Ashan Short Epic Swasthani Bratikatha 2010 Babuman Prashid Sharma Short Epic Sri Gange Chalasa Vedi 2007 Mayaditi Shrestha, Kaufmandu Epic Dakshinkali Stotra Matram 2009 Somnath Arjil, Kaufmandu Short Epic Dawesra Kapilham 2018 Kapil Arji Amanda, Kapilham Novel Shantakanya 2014 Shantakanya, Kaufmandu Novel Sanskrit Nepali English Tabava Shabdikosh, Dictionary Panini 2015 Danv Prakashan, Kaufmandu Novel Sanskrit Tabu Nepali Hindi English Tabava Shabdikosh 2015 Himalaya Bookstall, Kaufmandu Dictionary Sanskrit English Nepali Shabdikosh 2013 Nefashitya Parkana Kendra, Kaufmandu Dictionary Ekdekota Anik AM 2009 Himalaya Books Stall, Kaufmandu Biography Ahilya Kapilham Mahatmya 2014 Kapil Arji Amanda, Kapilham Short Epic Maiden Puraska Vijatid Jagdish Gamaya 2020 Patanjali 2019 Shiganga Nagopalika, Adakachi Novel Vararuji KJN 2020 Lamini Bangmaya Pratishthan, Kapilvasti Novel. Nepali. Title Year of First Publication First Edition Publisher Notes Ref. Gimupahami Sa Vyathabhya Eligius Sri Shankaracharya Dinyo Himawad Deshahanamadanam Sri Satyanarayan Kathamritam 2005 Himalaya Books Stall, Kaufmandu Mythology Arthadurga Kavakshan. Sanskrit. Title Year of First Publication First Edition Publisher Notes Ref. Sinjigat 2009 Awadhi Cultural Development Committee, Nepal Epic. Awadhi. Atreya has edited books and has published articles and poems on various topics in national and international journals newspapers. In the upcoming section, we'll be dissecting awards and exploring its implications in greater detail. 1. Mahendra Vibhushanaka, Narayanati Royal Palace, Kathmandu, Nepal 1973-2. KV Bharati Samabinandanam KV Bharati Parishad, Banaras Hindu University, Varanasi, India 1982-3. Mahendra Vibhushanaka, Narayanati Royal Palace, Kathmandu, Nepal 1992-4. Saman Markavi Devakota Jayanti, Lalipa, Nepal 1996-5. Gedi Araham Rayat Mahashav Padak Narayanati Royal Palace, Kathmandu, Nepal 1996-6. Sadaramabanandinam Divakhata Vedikyotmika Sur Parishad, Kathmandu, Nepal Sanskrit Versham 1999-2007. Durgasur Padak Mahendra Sanskrit University, Dang, Nepal 1999-8. Avanandan Kapilavastusama Kathmandu, Kathmandu, Nepal -2009. Bhavani Bhikshu Puraska Kapilavastu Sahitikasama, Kapilavastu, Nepal 2010. Vyendra Aishwarya Siva Padak Narayanati Royal Palace, Kathmandu, Nepal 11. Rashtriya Sanskrit Guru Saman Kaviratna Krishna Prashad Gimaya Smriti Pratishthan, Kathmandu, Nepal 2012. Sanskrita Shri Saman Vishwa Hindu Ekota Parishad, Kathmandu, Nepal 2013. Markavi Kalidash Award 24th International Astrological Conference, Kolkata, India 2001-14. Banga Janani Award 24th International Astrological Conference, Kolkata, India 2001-15. Jagatacharya Chandra Swami Award Viswajiyoish Vigshipith 2001-16. Prabhachan Pradeen Saman Pivata Bhagavatam Rasmalayam, Kathmandu, Nepal -2002-17. Bharati Haral Smarkavyakyan Saman Wamparaska Bharati Haral Pratishthan, Kathmandu, Nepal 2003-18. Avanandan Ariel Suasama, Kathmandu, Nepal 2003-19. Saman Lumbini Society of Music, Arts and Literature, Kathmandu, Nepal 2004-20. Pratibha Saman Puraska Sri Dadiram Marasini Memorial Academy, Kathmandu, Nepal 2008-21. Rudra Prashad Rigel Sanskrit Vidwat Puraska Rudra Prashad Rigel Smriti Puraska Kosh, Hetida, Nepal 2010-22. Sanskrit Bani Bhusan Saman 2012-23. Jyosh Hari Prashad Gimai Hari Abhinav Puraska 2013-24. Nepal Sanskritic Sangdilari U Petri Smriti Puraska 2014-25. The J2 Sankritam Award 2017-26. Pradesh Ratna 2019. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support and I'll see you in the next video.